We need to install this editor for coding purposes in our local environment. So this editor is called Visual Studio Code. So click on any of your favorite browser and then on Google just type Visual Studio Code. Then you will get the search results. Click on the first one. After that, go ahead and choose your operating system from here and you can download this editor. You can use this editor for all kinds of technologies that you want. Python, Java, front-end development, anything. But most popularly, this is used for front-end development. So go ahead and download it for your own operating system. Like for me, it's Windows, so I've downloaded already. Once you have downloaded the exe, just double click on it and click next finish to complete the normal installation process.